Welcome to the video. If you're wondering how to see your blocked user list on Roblox, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to view all the players you've blocked on Roblox using your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots or the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This will bring up the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences and settings. Step 4. Now tap on Privacy. This is where you control who can interact with you and who you want to block on Roblox. Step 5. Scroll down the Privacy section, and at the very bottom, you'll see the list of all the users you've blocked. Here, you can easily view everyone you've restricted from interacting with you. That's it! You've successfully located your blocked users list on Roblox. If you want to unblock someone, you can do that from this same page. Just tap Unblock next to their name, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and updates. See you next time.